Let's see how to import data from the API and create an data frame in Pandas. So I'm using Rapid API. This is a freemium API. We can see pricing and everything here. Here, as we have getting data, then we will use get method, and they have given code snippets also in multiple languages. I will not show because my headers credentials will get exposed. Then here also in header parameter that those will be there. This API provides competition news results and all. And in if we click on tutorials, we can see what should be the URL in a request method if we are using Python or anything. So while using get method, we will see Premier League table. So I have and this is the snippet which they provide. Headers, I have changed it so it will not get exposed. So let's run. Now we will just import. Let's see. So this is a list of dictionaries. Simply, this is how you can create dataset using freely available APIs.